Ever felt like you wanted to list your upcoming events, classes with a simple user interface, easy setup, and not having to deal with messy user interface? If you manage recurring events like classes, reminders, follow-ups, internal schedules, or notifications, and you don't want booking, payments, or front-end chaos, this video is for you. Today I'm showing a new WordPress plugin called Lista, built specifically for showcasing recurring events from the backend. And I'll also show you how it works with Jet Engine and ACPT. Lista recurring events lets you create daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and custom date recurring events using a single post. No duplicate entries cluttering your database. Prices may vary based on recording and development. Define your recurrence pattern directly in the post editor, and the plugin calculates all future occurrences on the fly. Your query loops automatically display events sorted by their next occurrence date, keeping your event listings always current. This is a functional tutorial, not a design tutorial. Let's get started. On a fresh install of WordPress, install the Lista Pro plugin and ACPT Pro plugin. Affiliate links for both tools are in the description of this video. Activate and enable the license for both of them. Theme being used here is Bricks Builder. Once you install Lista, it automatically detects the builder, and a tab for Bricks Builder is seen in its settings. It also detects the custom post types plugin installed as ACPT. Let us check settings of Lista. First field is event post type, and it asks us to select a post type we want to associate with the events. Currently, we do not have any. Field plugin field is set to ACPT. Lista automatically detects that. Next, we see some fields: start time, in data, start date. We need to make these fields in our custom post type and map their slugs/ID to these fields in Lista plugin. Before we check other settings, let's make the post type workshop using ACPT. Head over to ACPT form the menu. Add a new post type called workshop. Enter the details as per the requirement. Click next to see if there are any more fields to fill or not. Next again, keep things at default and save. Congrats, we created our required post type. Now to add fields to this, click on Create button as shown. Give the meta box a name for recognition. Here, you notice the condition to attach this field group to the workshop is already set. Add fields. The time fields have type time, and the date fields have type date. In advanced section of these fields, you can select the display format as per your need. Add the respective fields and click Save. Next step would be to assign this post type in Lista settings. Head over to Lista settings. Select Workshop as the event post type. Doing this tells Lista that the data entered in this post type is to be used for calendar, events, and so it should attach its fields to this post type. For the fields, map Lista fields with post type fields by mapping slug name of field from the field group page. Recheck Settings and Field Maps, then save this tab. Looking at more tabs in Lista settings, let us check Bricks Builder tab. This is automatically detected based on your builder and Lista's compatibility with it. Under this tab, we see some dynamic tags that can be used in Bricks template. Gutenberg. We are not using now, so skip it. Overrides menu is for those fields that you think can be altered for any particular day/event. Example, if we have event for 10 days at same time every second day, but fifth day event needs to be at a different start time or date. So we can use override menu to add that change. Check mark all the fields you would think will need to be overridden. We have created few fields as per need of this tutorial, but you can create as many as you would like. They show up here. Next tab is Named Calendar. Under Calendar menu, first we have this shortcode that we will need to place on a page where calendar with event listing will be visible. Rest, styling, dark or light theme can be selected by you. Canvas size, I am leaving it default. This size is for off-canvas event details that slide when you click on calendar event. You can add colors for each of your events or by urgency or any criteria. I'm leaving all this at default. Permissions tab gives management permissions to user roles. I am keeping this also at default. Click Save. Create a new page called Calendar Events and place the calendar shortcode in it as follows. View this page and you see a very pretty calendar. It is dark now. We can change this to light from Lista Settings page under Calendar tab. I like the UI of this tool honestly and its simplicity. Time to create a few workshops. Add new workshop, give a name. Scroll down. You see the fields that we have entered and the settings given to us by Lista plugin. Turn on Enable Recurring Event and Display Event in Calendar. New tabs show after that. Under Frequency, select the pattern, daily, weekly, yearly, etc. Then select how often to repeat this. For this example, select Daily under Recurrence and repeat every 2 days. Then it asks us, when does this event end? You can select Never, on a specific date, or after 10 times or so. Let's do 9 repeats, making it 10 workshops. Enter your start time, end time, date fields. End date isn't required to be entered, but enter the start date. Then publish this workshop. Once you do that, enter details for remaining 2 tabs, Management Occurrences and Calendar Display. Under the Override Occurrences, click on Override. Here you can select which fields are to be overridden. Say, event on 6th is to be rescheduled to 7th, time to be changed, featured image to be changed. That can be done here. Make a few changes. In the Cleanse tab, select the color you want for your event. Select Red here. Enable Show Time. Save this in View on Calendar page. You will see the workshop mapped to all dates with the respective color. Click on the event to open the off-canvas menu we talked about. It shows time, date of event, no featured image. You also notice event of 6th is scheduled to 7th. Let's add image as well. Then check the calendar view again. Now, let us add different types of recurring workshops, repeat them daily, monthly on specific date, or year, add different color to different events to recognize easily, and check the output. Next, we will need to make template in bricks to display all events in one archive page of all events. Head over to Bricks, then Templates. Add new Archive Type Template. Name it Workshop Archive. Go to Template Settings, select Condition as Archive of Workshop Post Type. Populate content for the same. Add a section with container. Inside container, add a block to insert featured image. This image data is dynamic, so from drop-down, select Featured Image. Select No Caption. Add another block, add heading and 3 basic text elements under it. Add another block, and select put these 2 blocks inside this third block. 3 block becomes parent block, and set direction to horizontal. Images aligns on left, text on right. You can do some editing for design as you require. On the parent block, enable query. Select the post type here as well. Now, in the heading, using dynamic data lightning symbol to add post title as the data provider. For text, use ACPT fields of start time and date. For third, use Lista dynamic tag of event pattern. After loading, it shows that data we just added dynamically. Recurrence pattern shows daily/weekly type data. Check on front end and see this data. Now we can add a new page, call it all events. Click Edit with Bricks. Then copy this entire setup from the template and paste it in All Events page. Add a menu. Then in Bricks template for header, you can add these menu items. Go to Templates, add New Header Template. Add NAV menu element. Check on front end, and you see that menu for ease of use. All done for ACPT. Now let's quickly work on Jet Engine the same way, now that you know basically what this plugin does. Enable Jet Engine plugin. Register a new post type named Events. Save it. Check if singular name should be event. Then save again. Now to add the fields, go to MetaBox's menu under Jet Engine. Add new, give the MetaBox a name. Give a condition to attach this MetaBox to post type events. Add a field called start date, type date. With 25% and save it. Duplicate this, give it a name, change slug, and save it. Head to Lista settings, add events in Jet Engine, as field sources is shown instead of ACPT, and workshop. Copy the slug names of the fields and map them to fields of Lista settings. Now, check override settings. Currently, only one field comes under this. Begin creating some dummy events to see the output and quickly conclude this tutorial. Add an event. Enable the recurring switch and calendar switch. Select a type of recurring event. We could try a different one where we select which days of the week to repeat in pattern. Enter event start date. UI of JetEngine with Lista is more polished than with ACPT. Enter event start time. Time is currently showing a date, not time. I think we duplicated the field and forgot to change type of field. Also, I want to add in time as event cannot go on for unlimited time. I also noticed no image support. So head over to post type of events and add support for featured image in advanced settings. Let's make that change. In post type, go to Advanced tab, scroll down to Support, and add featured image. Add new field of end time. After that, change the field type of start time, field of time, not date. Now continue to add details in event after the changes. When we click on Start Time, now a time field shows up to select desired start and end time. I notice in the Override menu tab, the start time is still showing date, not time. Possibly changing cache is required. If not, then maybe this could be a small bug. Add dummy details and override parameters like rescheduling event from one date to another, change color. Check this on front end now. You see the pattern visible. Click on it to show you event details. Duplicate this event. Make another, change the color in calendar, add images, and voila. Your event display works fine with ACPT and JetEngine using Lista Recurrent Events plugin. An amazingly simple plugin, clean UI. Let me know which new tutorial you want to see. Till then, subscribe and share.